Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Happy Thursday. Tomorrow is Good Friday. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. God sent his Son to you and I to take us away from our sins, to wash our sins away. God bless you. And the ministration says, Gbati, mori, Agbelebu, ti akonba ogun, mo ka gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ sófo, mo kẹ́gàn gbogbo ogun. God bless you as you listen. Receive him today. What a great love. What a great love. What a great love. Remember, he is coming back. He is coming back. Choose Jesus today. God bless you.